Sam Players, my name is Sam Players, and today, I got the bloody hiccups, is the 25th game week of the Premier League predictions.
Thanks so much for the
views. Thank you very much for the views on the
I think
on the live reaction to West Ham 3 and Sheffield United 0. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. But I'm sure
everyone has seen it.
Have.
Yeah.
And if you have and you like it, go watch it again. But Kayla, what are the scores from last week?
The scores from last week were: I got 12, you got 9. I got 12. That's like the most.
Yeah, it's a very good week.
Okay, now the total scores are: I have 144. Sam has 140. 40.
Okay. Okay, before we get into the first game, you have some announcements, don't you? Big announcements. So, and turn your phones up, turn your computers up, turn your iPad up, turn whatever you're watching this on. It's a big announcement.
So, every Monday and Thursday from now on for like how many weeks?
10 weeks.
10 weeks, and we'll carry on. We're going to do this thing. We're not going to exactly tell you.
It's a new series.
It's a new series. So watch out on Monday and Thursdays, and you'll see. So this Monday coming will be the first one, whatever it is. It includes all of the teams.
All of the Premier League.
Yeah, so it's not just West Ham.
And it's different.
All of the teams, yes. It's different. We have never done this before.
No.
Okay? So you can think and put it in the comments. Think what it will be. Sarah will be doing it, me and Sam as well.
Yeah,
okay?
So.
Whatever.
And now you can have guesses of it. And
send it
and we might shout
put it on the comments.
At the person if you get it right. And in the first video. But and yeah, the first game is this evening. It should be quite an entertaining game. Hiccups, go away please and do the video. It's Wolverhampton Wanderers versus Leeds United. I've heard that on the radio and from other content creator predictions that Wolves were actually slight favourites. I think Leeds have too much for them. And tonight, I think the pressing and everything will be too much for Leeds, and I hope and Patrick Bamford does well, because on fantasy football I've captained him, and as he's got 2 games against Wolves and Southampton. But yeah, my prediction is Wolves 1, Leeds 3. I think it'll be quite an entertaining game.
I think 1-2 to Leeds.
2-1 to Leeds.
Yeah.
Okay, fair enough. Now the first game, and tomorrow on Saturday, is struggling Southampton against in-form Chelsea at St Mary's tomorrow, 12:30. And Southampton are not in great form. Chelsea still haven't lost under Thomas Tuchel, and I think that will continue in this game. I think Southampton they're giving a bit of a fight, but I think overall it'll be Southampton 1, Chelsea 2. I think Chelsea will make it because
I think Chelsea will win 3-0.
3-0, what? Wow, okay. Bold move. Okay, then the next one is a big game down at the bottom.
Burnley.
It's Burnley, who holds West Brom champion. Now West Brom, they're down now, and they got a good point against Man United. And their keeper, and Sam Johnson, I really like him. I think, in my opinion, he's one of the best goalkeepers in the league at the moment. He goes next year, so I'm not sure. Just stop shit. I think Burnley are terrible. They should beat West Brom, and really they drew against Fulham in midweek. Which both of us got and bang on. Yeah. I think they'll win 2-1 Burnley. I don't see West Brom cause an upset here.
I think they'll win 2-0. Or 1-0 actually. 1-0.
Now it is time for a big
game of the week.
Big Merseyside derby. Could be game of the week. There's a lot of big games and this weekend at the top, in mid table, and then the bottom is stopped. Okay. It's the Merseyside derby next. 5:30 tomorrow evening is Liverpool versus Everton.
Make sure to watch it.
Yeah, this is
Definitely.
it's going to be a great game, I think. And there's
Do you know
big
the
boost.
channel it's on?
Yes,
What channel?
Sky Sports.
If you have Sky Sports, you can watch it. Okay?
Yes.
Tune in, yeah?
Yeah, but and there's a big boost for Everton. They got two big players for them back in Calvert-Lewin, and Alan like I remember the last time I seen him play. But Calvert-Lewin out for a few games, and Everton looked really toothless in the last few games without Calvert-Lewin against Fulham and Man City. So I think he'll be a big plus for them. And in terms of Liverpool, they're struggling in the Premier League, but they got a big win 2-0 against Leipzig in Budapest in midweek. So will they build on that? I think they just about will, and I think they're going to get 4-3 win here. I'm on goals.
Actually, me too, but it's not the same. It's 3-3 my score. I think they'll both do really, really well, but there won't be a winner.
Yeah, I think Calvert-Lewin will definitely score. I think Richarlison will score as well. And I think Calvert-Lewin breaks Richarlison will score one.
Next is Sheffield United against Fulham.
Now it's a big game down the bottom, and Sheffield United surely, if they don't pick up 3 points here, that is them by get this. But Fulham, and 4 points on their last 2 games, have given themselves some hope of possibly staying up this season. With Newcastle, they have some tough games coming up, and they play Man United later in the game week. But I think Fulham, if they do win this, and Newcastle lose, that would mean I think there's 3 points in it or something, yeah. And then Fulham have Crystal Palace then after that as well. So this is a big game for Fulham, and I think they're just about going to edge a 2-1 win here at Bramall Lane.
I think 2-1, but the other way around is Sheffield United.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Next is West
Yeah, I was
Ham.
supposed to say that. Next, a midday on Sunday, big game, buzzing for that game. On Sunday, there's going to be a lot of graphics for on the channel soon. It's West Ham United versus Spurs, and I am dying to watch this game on Sunday. West Ham,
I'll be in it.
we're in great form. Great win against Sheffield United. Spurs, and they won last night in Europe. 4-1 against Wolfsburg, but they all might play this game. But I really fancy us here. I think it's kind of. I don't think we're favourites. I think it's just sort of even money. I think we are going to. I think we are going to win 3-2 here. I think there'll be I think there'll be a lot of goals, and I think Spurs will score 2, but West Ham will score 3. I think Dawson will score 1. Souček will score 1. I think Mickey Antonio will score 1. I'm really looking forward to this game.
I think
And
exactly that.
And the Spurs, then Kane's on.
I think exactly that score. But
Really?
the other way around.
Oh, you had me there for a minute.
3-2 Spurs. That's my score.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised. But I really think we have a chance on Sunday. The next game
Villa.
is also a cracker. It's Villa versus Leicester, and 2 sides who are doing really well this season. Aston Villa, and what did they do last? I know Leicester had a frustrating European night in Prague last night against Slavia Prague. I think I don't really see many winning in this game. I think it'll be a Aston Villa 1, Leicester City 1. I think bound for Leicester, greatest for Villa. Now, the next game
My turn.
is. Oh yeah, sorry.
I think 2-1 to Leicester. I think
Okay,
just
fair enough,
Leicester
you can-
will just
Let's just mix it.
Mhm.
Now, next one is a big game. It's Arsenal versus Manchester City. 4:30 on Sunday. Arsenal, they are playing a lot better. They won 4-2 yesterday, then were held to a 1-1 draw against Benfica last night with Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang spooning numerous of chances that he really should throw at a striker of his quality. Man City, though, they're unstoppable at the moment and won like 16 games in a row, and I don't see Arsenal stopping them again. In this game, it'll be Arsenal 0, Man City 2.
Score. I think my score will be Man City 3, Arsenal 1.
Yeah, I was between those two scores. Right, now another big game at the bottom and the top is Manchester United against Newcastle United at Old Trafford, 7 o'clock on Sunday. Man United, they smashed Real Sociedad and 4-0 last night in Turin. And Newcastle, last time out, they lost away to Chelsea by 2-0. Yeah, Man United, I think we'll have too much for Newcastle. Yeah, but I do think Newcastle will somehow nick 1, but I think it'll be Man United 3, Newcastle 1.
Wait, before
Just the
I do
quality
my
will show
score,
at the end.
you don't have hiccups anymore. That rhymes. Before I do my score.
But where the match will you have hiccups anymore?
No, so I think 3-0 to Man United.
3-0 to Man United, yeah, fair enough. And next one is somehow a derby. It's Brighton versus Crystal Palace. Brighton, I think it's at the N25 a derby, but it is a big derby to Brighton and Crystal Palace fans. Now, Crystal Palace, they won't have lots of half of this game, and they really struggle. And when they don't have Wilfried Zaha, they've won 2 of 18 without Zaha in their lineup in the last 2 years. So I think Brighton, they're looking very good at the moment, and they're going to win 1-0 here at Dundee Palace, having enough to get anything here. So Brighton 1, Palace 0.
I think 1-1. They'll both do good, but they won't do that good, so 1-1.
Yeah. Now, next game was a
It's
game that was meant to play earlier, and it's the 11th game of this game week. So hopefully Bamford can do something good on this double game week. Leeds versus Southampton. I'll be more confident with my score when I see the result, when I watch the game of Leeds against Wolves and Southampton against Chelsea. But I think Leeds are home winning there for this game. But I can't split these two sides, so I'm going to say Leeds United 1, Southampton 1.
I think 2-1 to Leeds.
Okay, and
that
that is it for another game week of the Premier League
But
predictions.
make sure to
Yeah,
tune
we
in
can
on Monday and Thursday every week, and you'll, especially on this Monday, because you'll see what will be up for the new series. We'll still be doing the Premier League predictions and the thing,
Obviously.
and the thing for the West Ham game too.
Yeah.
Live reaction.
And can we hit maybe how many likes? 6, 7?
How about 10?
Okay, 10.
10.
Okay, that's
How
good.
many views?
I didn't got
40.
likes at the moment.
Okay.
So 10 likes by Monday.
No, how about by the end of next week?
No, I did Monday.
No, by the end of February.
I did Monday. I did
Okay.
Monday. We
Whatever.
got Monday.
Yeah.
Okay, and hopefully you have enjoyed this video, and leave a like and subscribe, and turn notification bells on so you don't ever miss when we upload. But that is it for this video, and we'll see you soon for West Ham v Spurs live reaction. I'm really excited for that. Come on!
Bye.
Bye.